NANLUX introduces the NL mount projection attachment 15 to 30 degrees, which is designed to provide accurate optical control for high-power light fixtures. In this video, we will show you how to use it. Here are the items included in the box: flight case, NL mount projection attachment 15 to 30 degrees, plastic protective covers, gobo holder, a size gobo, gel frame, gobo patterns as shown. Here are the optional purchase accessories. Let's see how to install the projection attachment and light fixture. Remove the plastic protective covers. Mount the projection attachment on the light stand. Tighten the knob. Align the NL mount of fixture body with the mount of projection attachment. Rotate the fixture body to secure it. Connect the fixture body with power supply through the DC connection cable. Connect the power supply with power outlet through the AC power cable. Turn on the power switch. Loosen the focusing knob. Pull the lens barrel forwards or backwards to adjust the beam angle. Tighten the knob after adjustment. Rotate the zoom ring to adjust the resolution of beam. The 4 shutters can be adjusted independently for adjusting the shape of beam. Place the gobo into the gobo holder. Adjust the direction. Insert the gobo holder into the slot to get the pattern. Adjust the zoom ring to fine-tune the resolution of the pattern. Loosen the fastening knob. Rotate the lens barrel to finally adjust the pattern angle. Tighten the fastening knob. Place the gel into the gel frame. Release the gel frame lock catch. Insert the gel frame into the slot. Tighten the lock catch. Loosen the thumb knobs on the iris diaphragm slot. Push the cover. Tighten the knobs. Based on the direction, insert the adjustable iris diaphragm into the slot. Loosen the rod. Sway it to adjust the diameter of beam. After adjustment, tighten the rod to lock the current size of beam. Now let's see how it performs with the Evoke 2400B at 3 meters. That's it for the NL mount projection attachment 15 to 30 degree basic operations. Thanks for watching.